This child lost his life due to cough syrups, and no one knew why.
This is a real story about a cheerful child from USA. One day, he started having cough. His mom bought over-the-counter cough and cold medication and gave it to him. There were no issues for several days, until, one morning, when his mother tried to wake him up, he was cold and lifeless. This happened because the cough syrup had dextromethorphan. It is safe in adults, but, in children, it can accumulate in blood over time, and can suppress the cough so much that the baby stops breathing. That's why cough syrups are not recommended for anyone under 2 years of age, including the herbal cough syrups. Coughing in children is often protective and helps in removing mucus from the lungs. Hydration, humidification of the room, and saline nose sprays can be used for cough instead.